Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, as you can see by that big red box on the table, you know we're going to take a look at something from Kershaw. And yeah, I know. You clicked on the thumbnail, you clicked on the title. I know, you already know what's in the box, but still, let me have my little jokes, alright? But stay tuned right after we roll that intro. I'm going to show you what came in that box. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, as you saw by that opening, today we're going to take a look at the Kershaw CQC, which stands for Close Quarters Combat, 11 Kilo. Now, I got to tell you, honestly, I've been wanting one of these in the shop for a while. I really truly have. Alright, I think it's an incredible blade. I think it's badass for what it's supposed to do. And I will be honest, I have been dying to get my hands on a blade with a wave. I think they're cool. I think they pose a speedy option in order to get it out, get it deployed in order to defend yourself. But it also comes with a catch. Because I'm so used to not carrying a blade with a wave, there's multiple times I've pulled it out of my pocket and about bit myself on the blade. Now, the fit and finish stuff, I really love how it looks. I just do. The way the blade is, the way the blade shape is. The only thing I really wasn't huge on, and it's kind of like with the flat iron, it's got one side that has, a G10 scale, and the other is just the metal. I personally think they just should have done both sides with the G10 and, changed it up a little, but that's me. Alright? Now, let's get into the stats like we usually do. Oh, I added the lanyard for ease of pulling out. God, that sounds bad. Oh, Lord, forgive me for that ease of pulling out. Man. Whew, alright. It's got an overall length of about 8.5 inches. The blade is 3.5, and closed it's 4.75. Now, it's got a pretty hefty weight to it, which I like, at 5.8 ounces. If you're using something for self-defense, you really want to make sure you know that tool is there. That it's not so lightweight that you forget about it, and not so heavy that it's making your pocket tilt to one side. Now, this is the part that kills me, alright? They were calling that a Tonto blade. I don't. They've even said that's a clip point blade. I don't see it that way. I see that as one bastardized drop point style. But that's just me, alright? Let me know what you guys think. Now, they say it has a hollow grind. As you can see, it's a fine edge. And the steel is 8CR 14 MOV. Great for edge retention, ease of sharpen. But I don't know. I would have liked to seen a better steel for a self-defense weapon, but that's just me. What I really love, hopefully you can see it, it's got that stonewash finish to it. I love stonewash finish. I really, really do. Now, as I touched on in the opening, it has a brown G10 scale on one side. It's got, stainless steel frame. Now, it does have a reversible pocket clip, as you can see, but you can only carry this tip up, so you can carry it left hand, right hand. Now, as I mentioned, it's got a wave opener. And if you're unsure what a wave opener is, alright, now I know a bunch of you out there already know, and you're rolling your eyes, but for you people who don't, basically when this is in your pocket and you're pulling it out, that wave is going to catch on the lip of the pocket and deploy the blade as you pull it out. So, it's ready to go as you pop it out. If you choose not to use it that way, you've got the thumb disc opening as well. It does have a lanyard hole, and hopefully you can see it does have a frame lock which sits pretty friggin' nice right on there. And yes, in case you're curious, it is made in China. Now for the fun part of these videos. Let's cut some paper on some stuff. Okay. Usual stock paper that we do. No problem. Well, let's see. Okay, well, I was trying to get it a little bit differently, but I think because of the grind, it's going to be impossible to do what I want. But oh well. 4 quick passes ain't no big deal. 550 paracord. No problem with a pull test. Let's do a slice. Baby. Right through that. And as we usually do, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Oh yeah, right through. Okay, now, with all that fun stuff being there, we also took a look at costs and ratings. Like I usually do, I took a look on Amazon, on Kershaw's website, and bladehq. On Amazon, this is going to run you $32.63. Kershaw's got it listed at $62.99. And bladehq, $33.99. So, two of those are really, really affordable, really awesome. Kershaw, dude, seriously? This is one of your older models for the CQC, Close Quarters Combat Series. What the hell you doing almost wanting to charge $70? But, you know, that's just me. Now, take a look at the ratings. bladehq, 5 out of 5. Kershaw, 5 out of 5. And Amazon, 4.6 out of 5. But there we go, guys. That is my tabletop look. But as I usually do, I want to know what you think. I want to hear your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, everything, man. Put it all down below in the comment section. You know I'm going to get back with you. Now, if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to check this video out. I know there's lots of options out there, and I'm very flattered you chose one of mine. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now, for you longtime viewers of the channel that have yet to subscribe, here is your second chance at redemption. Right down there is going to be a channel logo popping up. Go ahead and click on that thing, man, and that's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you went ahead and subscribed, please beat up the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Well, that's going to notify you every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My very quick look at the Kershaw Charlie Quebec Charlie 11 Kilo. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day today.